Welcome back guys to another video. I hope some of you check out the pudding video yesterday. You see me? Today we're doing curry saltfish. You know, sometimes when you're home tired of different kind of meat kind and stuff. When a piece of saltfish now in the cupboard, you don't know what to do with it. But today I'm gonna tell you so you can curry it. You see me? I already saltfish are boiled in a pot already. You see me? We have my broad bean, my garlic, scallion and thyme, my bell pepper, curry, some carrot, the grate pepper itself, pimento seed, coconut milk. You see me? Guys, the saltfish there, I cook and everything. When it finish, I scrape it off and then start prepare the seasoning. But guys, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend about the video. You see me? But anyway, we'll be giving away a phone card again. I hope that somebody get it last night. You see me? This phone card number is 30127. Watch the video if you get the rest of your number then. You see me? Alright guys, we're finished prep. The saltfish ready now. All of the seasoning I'm cut up now guys. I mix up my coconut powder. Right here. Everything prep and ready to cook. Let's go. Alright guys. I put in some olive oil in the pot. Some curry, let it burn. Looking nice. A lot of people use whole heap of curry. You choose how much curry you want. I like my curry very pretty. Nicely. Alright. Now I'm gonna add in my saltfish. Guys, I wish I could smell it guys. Smells so nice. Yummy. Now we're gonna add in our coconut milk. Our carrot. Our bell pepper, our own Jamaican pepper, some onion, I'm putting in some scallion. I like to cook with a lot of seasoning. Some thyme. Throw some more coconut milk in there. Pimento seed. Now putting in some garlic. And guys, we're gonna make it stay there to cook for at least 15 minutes. Cause remember we already burned our curry already. So we're gonna make it sit there and cook for 15 minutes. Yeah. I'll put in my broad bean in there now. Alright. Just gonna make it stay there for at least 3 to 4 minutes more. And then we're ready to serve. Alright, the next rest of the digits of the phone card is 7012. That is 7012. See me? But yes guys, it's coming on, coming on. Finish cook anyway guys. You can serve this with your rice. Here it is. Look very nice. Let's taste. The coconut juice turn up in it, man. Yes guys, tagwan, tagwan. And if you don't want to serve it with rice, you can serve it with your yam, your banana, or you can look about pasta and serve it with pasta. You choose what or you want to serve it with. Crushed potatoes, all of those stuff you can serve it with. It's an easy menu. Like when you're coming from work and you're tired, you can easily wrap up this local meal, guys. But please remember to like, share, comment, tell a friend, you see me? Remember to share this video and just tell me what you think about it and what else you want me to try out, guys. Just leave it down in the comment section. I will leave all of the ingredients and what I use today to make my curry saltfish. See me? I'm out. Be safe.